Hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. Have your value, solid value, number 1, 2, 3, 4, so that your market will be like, wow, this content is super amazing. I need this. Remember, your market buys into transformation, into change, into results. That is what your market buys into, transformation, results, only when you have built that trust, that credible trust. You are proving to your market that you are the brand, that you are the funnel, that you are the go-to person. You are the expert in your profession, in your niche market's eyes, so that you are building that trust. People will now trust you. Wow, you know what you are talking about. You can help me from point A to take me from point A where I am stuck. I am stuck to point B, driving people into a capture page, and you can teach me all these kinds of things, right? People must know, like, and trust you. Know, like, and trust. How do you build that fast? Through storytelling. Stories sells, facts tells. Stories sells, facts sells. Facts tells, stories sells, right? So you need to be able to articulate your stories, your philosophy is what counts, your stories, and every single person has different stories. Sad stories, happy stories, exciting stories, miserable stories, confusing stories, complicated stories. Guys, we all human beings have stories to share. As I'm sharing with you how I started my funnel, my very first sales funnel was horrible, terrible, confusing, totally messed up, dumbfounded building that funnel, right? My second funnel I tried building was with Stan Store. And guys, that system and process failed tremendously. I quit with Stan Store, and that's a good company. Gary V actually invested in Stan